Hi everyone, it's Mr. Manu. Welcome to I think it's your sixth week of math online learning. Today we are going to collect like terms and collect like terms to solve one-step or two-step equations. Okay, so what does collect like terms mean? It's really simple. I'm just going to show you an example right now. So let's say, oops, I'm so sorry. All right, so I'm going to draw very quickly. So I know in elementary school, you probably have questions like these. So if I draw an apple plus an apple, how many apples do you get? Well, you get two apples, right? It's really simple. Likewise, if I have an orange plus an orange, how many oranges do you get? You get two oranges. Now, this one is probably kindergarten. And then if we probably go to like grade 2, let's say, what if I give you an apple plus an orange plus two apples plus three orange plus, I don't know, plus a star, okay? So now what we are doing, we are collecting like terms. So an example would have to be like an apple plus two apples is actually three apples, isn't it? So my answer is 3 apple. I'm not done yet. Now let's add the oranges. So for the oranges, if I have 1 orange plus 3 orange, I actually get 4 oranges, isn't it? And now you're probably wondering, Mr. Manu, how about this lonely star over here? Well, we just need to add it in our answer. And that's it. This is our answer. Okay, now notice that I'm actually including the sign next to the coefficient on the left. Okay, we always have to do it. It's very crucial. So this one is elementary. How about grade 8 or junior high? How does it look like when you're collecting like terms? So what if I give you this? What if I give you x plus x? Okay, and x plus x is actually 2x. It's the same thing. Apple plus an apple is 2x. Okay? What if I give you something like this? Y plus m plus 3m plus 4y plus n. Okay? So now we need to collect like terms, right? So let's do it. 1y plus 4y is actually 5y. Okay, like so, 1m plus 3m is actually 4m, and this lonely n, we just need to include that in our answer, plus n. Okay, so far, these ones are pretty easy because they're all pluses, isn't it? What if I give you subtraction, okay? So an example would have to be this. If I say 4s plus 3x minus 5s minus 2x. Okay, now we need to treat them like integers, so let's collect like terms, okay? So 4s minus 5s is not 1s, we need to remember integers, right? 4 minus 5 is actually negative s, or negative 1s, okay? And then like so, positive 3 minus 2x, sorry, positive 3x minus 2x is actually positive x, because 3 minus 2 is actually 1, okay? All right, so I have some interactives that you could work with, so let's just do them together. All right, sorry about that. All right, this is good. All right, so if we look at our grade 8 Google Classroom. Again, please watch the video. So there are 4 links here that I like to put, so that way you have more practice. Let's try this one. Okay, I'm just going to say next new question. All right, simplify. So simplify is just another way of saying collecting like terms. So 7a plus 4a is actually 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11a. Check your answer. This is correct. Let's try a new one. 7n plus 7n is actually 14n. Okay. 4g plus 2g is actually 6g. Okay. It's very simple. So that's one of the websites. Another one that you guys are probably familiar right now is the Transom one. So let's see it. All right, level 1. This is level 1. Okay, simplify each of the following by collecting together like terms. So let's do it. 6x plus 2x is actually 8x, and then the positive 6 just goes on the answer. Now this one, 7y minus 4y is actually 3y. And then the positive 8 is just with the answer as well, because that's just by itself. This one, 4w minus 3w is 2w, and then negative 2. Okay, make sure you put the negative 2 in the answer. Now this one, 5m plus 7m is 12m. Positive 8 plus 3 is actually positive 11. This one, now there's negative, so just be careful, okay? 5n minus 4n is actually 1n. Now, you could put 1n, but we don't really put it. But it's okay. So let's just put n. Positive 6 plus 9 is actually 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 15. Plus 15. Now let's do it. 4a minus 3a is actually the 1a, so a by itself. And then minus 8 is actually minus 16. Okay, I'm just going to quickly fly by through this. 6b plus 5b is actually 11b. 2c plus 3c is actually 5c. Oh my god, so many p's. 9p plus 6p is 15p's. Minus 5p is actually 10p. And then plus 5q minus 3q is actually negative 2q. And then this one, 6d minus 2d is 4d. 4d minus 5 is actually negative d. Negative 8e plus 11e is actually positive 3e. Okay, so make sure you remember how to use how to work with negatives. Okay, 17a plus 5a, and then you minus 5a again. So I'm pretty sure it's just 17a by itself. And then 11b minus 7b, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4b. Now this one, 6x minus 5x is 1x, minus 2x will be negative x. And then negative 3y plus 12y, problem 10, 9, plus 9y. And then this one, 15r minus 14s plus 16r plus 14s minus 19. So that would be, let's do all the r's together. 15r plus 16r is 31r. And negative 14s plus 14s is 0 and minus 19. So let's check it. Oh no, I got it wrong. All right, well I have 2, so let's see where my mistake was. 9p plus 6p is 15p. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Oh, this one should be a plus. And then this one should be a positive. Okay, there you go. Now, if you refresh this, it actually gives you new sets of questions. Okay, so again, just refresh it, and you pretty much get new questions all the time. So make sure you try level 1. If you want to challenge yourself, definitely try level 2. Okay, but level 1 most preferably. Now, the reason why we are collecting like terms is now, if you look at your assignment for this week, okay, if you look at your assignment this week, you have to collect like terms first, and then you have to do either one-step or two-step equations. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy the first question. Okay, so 3x plus 1 plus x minus 4 equals 5. Okay, so I'm going to do that question, and I'm also, if there's time, I might do the other one, but anyways, let's just do it right now. So just give me a second here. Alright, so let's do this. 3x plus 1 plus x minus 4 equals 5. Okay. Oh no, it's very blurry. Just give me a second. Okay, there you go. Alright, so if you do the algebra way, we need to collect like terms, isn't it? We need to collect like terms. So 3x plus x is actually, so I'm just going to color it for you. 3x plus x is actually 4x, and then positive 1 minus 4 is actually negative 3, and you get 5. So again, this is a two-step equation again. You're going to add 3 on both sides. You get 4x equals to 8, and then you divide by 4 on both sides, x equals to 2. That's the algebra way. If you want to know how to draw the algebra tiles, so the algebra tiles, so we just need to draw it. So again, the left side must equal the right side. So let's do it. 3x plus 1 plus x minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 5. Okay? Now, if you can see this right away, this one is a zero pair. So I'm going to quickly cross this one off. So now, how do I get rid of the negative 3's? Well, I need to introduce positive 3, isn't it? And whatever I do on the left, I have to do to the right. So this is just like what we did over here. Okay, so because of this, this one cancels off. So now I'm going to draw on another balance beam. I get 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Now I just need to put these evenly. So 1, so how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. So my answer is x equal to 2. Okay, so make sure you try this one out. If you look at your homework, there is actually 2 where you need to draw algebra tiles, and then the next set of questions, you just need to collect like terms first, and then you either have to do one-step or two-step equations. All right, that's it for today. You guys have a great day.